The civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning in the following counties/areas: Indiana, Ohio, South Carolina and Wyoming. At 10:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, civil authorities has discovered an entity who was read, have 6 faces, switch faces. The entity is called A-60. A-60 have scary faces. If you hear a static sound, seek shelter now. Stay in a closet, a place you don't have windows, under bed, and do not keep anything or leave the house. Remain calm in any circumstances. A-60 is fast. If you touch A-60, you will die. There is an image of A-60. All residents may seek shelter now.